If you've ever felt like modern AI models are a bit too robotic or unpredictable, you're not alone. The journey of an AI begins with pre-training, where the model learns the structure of language by reading trillions of words from the internet. But at this stage, the model is just a powerful autocompleter. If you ask it how to wash a teddy bear, it might just start listing different types of bears instead of giving you advice. To fix this, we move to Supervised Fine-Tuning, or SFT. This is where we feed the model high-quality examples of questions and answers to teach it how to act like an assistant. While this makes the model more useful, it still might be too blunt or provide safe but unfriendly responses. This leads us to the heart of the lecture, preference tuning. This is the secret sauce that aligns the model with human values. Instead of just telling the model what to say, we show it two different responses to the same prompt. One winning response and one losing response, and ask it to learn which one humans prefer. One famous way to do this is RLHF, or reinforcement learning from human feedback. It involves building a reward model that acts like a judge, scoring the AI's answers. The AI then uses an algorithm called PPO to maximize its reward scores without straying too far from its original knowledge. It's a bit like training a puppy with treats, but on a massive computational scale. However, RLHF is notoriously difficult and expensive to run. That's why researchers developed DPO, or Direct Preference Optimization. DPO skips the middleman of the judge model and directly updates the AI's weights based on the preference pairs. It's faster, more stable, and effectively treats the language model as its own reward system. Whether it's making an assistant sound gentler or ensuring its advice is safer, preference tuning is what transforms a raw machine into the polished AI we interact with every day.